Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about cards and filters. So let's go ahead and get started. So what I wanted to show right now is I would like to display cards, and these cards are going to kind of highlight the key insights about our dashboards. Let me show you an example. Let's assume that I would like to display the country that has the highest GDP per capita or gross domestic product per capita. Or maybe I would like to highlight the country with the lowest degree of corruption. Well, I can do that in Power BI using cards. So here you can see on the right-hand side here that we have multiple cards. There is regular cards. There is also what we call it multi-row cards. So let me show you the multi-row cards. So I'm just going to click here somewhere and then click on multi-row cards. Here we go. And what I would like to show right now is I would like to show the country that has the highest GDP per capita. To do that, I'm going to grab the country or region in the fields section here. And what you notice right now is that you notice that here I have all the different countries have been displayed. So I have, for example, here Albania, Algeria, for example, and you have Austria as an example and so on. And because this card is a multi-row card, now I can add country. I can also add the GDP per capita on the bottom as well. And please note that there is only one field in here. So if I grab the GDP per capita and I place it underneath, and again, because this is a multi-row card, now you can see that now I can see the actual country, and I can also see as well the GDP per capita associated with it too, okay? But basically this visual right now doesn't make a lot of sense because now you can see every single country along with its GDP per capita. What I would like to display is I would like to highlight kind of the top or maybe bottom ones. And to do that, now I need to shift into what we call them filters. And what you see here is the filters pane. Please note that there are several levels of filtering in Power BI. One of them is what we call it filter on a visual. So if you click on it here, for example, you can apply a filter that is only going to be applicable to this visual only. That's what you see here, filter on this visual. You can also filter on a specific page. I can go ahead and say filter on this page, filter on page number 1, which is this one that you can see here. You can also do another level of filtering, and that is going to be filtering on all pages. So if you have multiple pages, you can apply a filter that applies everywhere. Right now, we're going to start small, and we're going to apply a filter on a simple visual. And what I would like to do right now is I would like to display the country that has the highest GDP per capita or gross domestic product per capita. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to see here, if you click on that arrow pointing downwards, you will find that you can do basic type of filtering. For example, I can maybe say, I'm only interested in maybe Argentina, Algeria, and Albania, for example, and that's it. So now you can select only these 3 countries and you can display them and you're good to go. But what I would like to do is I would like to do another type of filtering. So I'm going to go and say select all. And then I'm going to say, please, I would like to select top N. If you click on top N, that is going to tell you, well, sure, I wanted to select the top 1 country. And here is asking me, okay, by value, which value you are interested in. Please note that you will need to show or drag and drop another GDP per capita in the by value field here. So it's not automatically captured from the GDP per capita because you might need to filter on maybe a different variable as an example. That's why I'm going to grab the GDP per capita, place it here, and please note that you must apply filter. So when you apply filter right now, here we go. Now you can see that Qatar, it has the highest GDP per capita at 1.68. And that's pretty much how you can show a card that can display the most important information on top, along with the controls as well. You recall, now I can show the controls here, such as the slicer. You can see the header as well. You can also highlight kind of the most important values, such as, for example, maybe the top profit, for example, or the annual profit, or maybe you can display the best store, let's say, that is selling or best-selling store, maybe best-selling product, and so on. And then we're going to explore all of that over the next few projects. But for now, here we have Qatar, for example. And what I could do as well is I can go ahead and play around with the colors for it. So I can go to general, I can activate the title, and then I can say here, for example, country with highest GDP, something like that. And that's basically what is going to be displayed here on top. So country with highest GDP is Qatar. You can go ahead and if you go to cards, you can here change, for example, here the size of the word Qatar, for example. You can change the color here, we're setting to blue. You can see here category labels. So what you can see here is that there is sum of GDP per capita. I can disable this. So if you disable this, that here is gonna be gone. That is gonna be the category labels. Now you can see high GDP per capita. You can go to the call out values and maybe change the size as well. So the 1.68, you can change the size, you can change the color of it as well. You can also go back here to general and you can go to properties and you can adjust the height and the width as well, kind of the size of my window. You can also, if you scroll down to the effects, you can play around with the background color as well. And you can, if you click on header icons, you can also play around with the colors as well for the background, for the border, for the icon, and so on. But from a very high level, this is good. Country with high GDP is Qatar and stands at 1.68. And that's it. That's all I have for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next lesson.